India's fifth-generation AMCA fighter program will see the adoption of a battlefield management tablet that will enhance the situational awareness for the pilot and will also provide crucial data and other technical details of the aircraft. The AMCA will have high usage of computing power that will be enhanced with artificial intelligence-controlled multi-sensor data fusion. The battlefield management tablet will give data on pre-check status of the aircraft before flight and can also diagnose in case of any issues with the aircraft. The battlefield management tablet will start with basic test instruments, data collection and flight manual, and in later phase, it will get more complex usage from weapons configuration details, mission profile, and sensor data fusion from the aircraft. Under the Technology Development Fund initiative, the DRDO is looking at Indian startups to come up with a solution that can handle drones and swarm drones. Many private sector startups in India are betting on developing electromagnetic pulse weapons that can be engaged to take out large unmanned aircraft and swarming drones. The EMP can be used to fry the onboard electronics of the swarming drones and cause a malfunction in the flight control system, thus preventing effective usage of taking out targets. Laser-based hard-kill systems can take out UAVs, but EMP-based systems have shown high potential to take out a large group of swarm drones from a distance of 1.5 kilometers. The Indian Air Force operates 11 Boeing C-17 Globemaster, the first 3 of which were inducted in 2013, and plans are being worked out to carry out a moderate upgrade that will enhance its airlift capability. Negotiations for the upgrade of the capabilities of C-17 will see a contract that might see modernized software and hardware component upgrade to the entire fleet of 11 aircraft. Other upgrades that might be planned at a later stage will see increasing the current free-fall parachuting capability and updating the satellite-enabled communication equipment. Indian Navy's aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya is expected to come out of major refitment by the end of this month and will start sea trials very soon. With 2 fully operational aircraft carriers by the end of this year, Indian national security planners will have to evolve a doctrine to project power in the Indo-Pacific and beyond. India and France are exploring a visit by French President Macron to New Delhi in March, and the French media has indicated that the deal for 26 carrier-borne strike fighters for INS Vikrant will be signed during the visit. Senior Embraer executive Kitano Nito has said that the company is in talks with the Indian Air Force for the sale of its C-390 military transport aircraft, which has the capability to undertake missions across different terrains and extreme environments in the country. Embraer and Hindustan Aeronautics have agreed to make a combined offer to the Indian Air Force, after carrying out a detailed study on developing a customized variant for the Indian Air Force with several Indian-made systems. The Ministry of Defence intends to procure 142 combat weapon training simulator for the Indian Army through fast-track procedure under the Buy Indian category. It must have 60% indigenous content and must simulate weapons such as close-quarter carbines, rifles, light machine guns and rocket launchers. The simulation of weapons should include sound and a near-actual recoil system to facilitate all firing modes, and should have capability of generating various static and moving targets for practice.